Welcome back, genius folks. Today we'll be talking about complementary and supplementary angles. So let's get started. First, what exactly do complementary and supplementary angles mean? Now, what a complementary angle means is two angles that add up to 90 degrees are complementary angles. They complement each other. And what supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees, aka a straight line. So that's what a complementary and a supplementary angles mean. So let's look at number one. We have 4 examples, so let's start off with number one. And it gives us one angle measure, so it says 70 degrees. And we can obviously tell this is a right angle. So, and there's an x here, so I'm guessing we're gonna have to figure out what's the value of x. So since complementary angles are angles that add up to 90, and this is a right angle, and we know that right angles are 90 degrees, and it gives us one measure of the angle, which is 70 degrees. And the other measure has to be the difference of 90 minus 70, which would equal 20. So technically 20 degrees is going to be equal to this angle measure. So that's how you figure out that. And let's move on to number 2. Okay, it gives us one measure again. It's a complementary angle. Like we can see it's a complementary angles because it's a right angle, and right angles are equal to 90 degrees. So yeah, it gives us one angle measure, which is 52 degrees. Okay, and we have to find the value of x again. So again, the value of x is going to be the difference of 90 subtracted by 52, and the difference is going to equal x. So 90 minus 52, which equals 38 degrees. 38 degrees is going to be the measure of this angle x right here. It's going to be the measure of angle BDC is going to equal 38, and the measure of ADB is 52. Just to double check, 52 plus 38 is 90 degrees. So let's start the supplementary angles now. We have one right here. Let's start off with number 3. And so it looks like it gives us the angle measure of angles ADB. And the angle measure of angle ADB is equal to 115. And this looks to be a straight line, so we automatically know it's a supplementary angle, because supplementary angles are angles that, two angles that add up to 180 degrees. And they give us a measure of one angle, and they give us x, so we have to figure out the value of x. So angle ADB is measured 115. Now, since this is a supplementary angle, it's not going to be the difference of 90 minus 115. No, that's not going to be that. It's going to be 180 minus 115. And in this case, 180 minus 115 would be 65 degrees. So the value of x, BDC, angle BDC would be 65 degrees. So this would equal 65 degrees. And just to double check, 115 plus 65 is indeed 180 degrees. So number 4. Again, it gives us the angle measure of one angle, which is ACD. And the angle measure of ACD is 148 degrees. And we have to find the value of x. So again, we're going to subtract 180 minus 148, and the difference of 180 minus 148 is going to be the answer, or the angle measure of angle BCA. So the difference of 180 minus 148 is 32, and so technically x would equal 32. And so just to double check again, 32 plus 148 does equal 180 degrees. So we got that. So hope you guys learned something new. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and see you guys in the next episode.